Hi, welcome to the Cozy Keyboard build. What's up guys, Thock here. Hope your day's going well. So today we'll be building a cozy themed keyboard. This is what I came up with. It's a matcha themed keyboard. I think this green color goes with the cozy theme, so we'll go with this. It's a Zuoya GMK67. We spray painted it satin moss green, and then the keycaps are matcha themed keycaps. You'll see the backspace says matcha. The switches are matcha switches. I should have lubed them, but I didn't. You know how lubing is. Boy, if you don't get... Let's get started. So the switches that I picked for this build are these matcha green switches. I don't know what the brand name is. They were about $16 and I got them from AliExpress. I really picked them only because they were matcha themed, and the keycaps are also matcha themed, so it just matched, you know? It just matched the flow. And then the Zuoya GMK67 is really cheap. Altogether, this is under $100, even with the spray paint. It does feel better when you spray paint your Zuoya GMK67. I think I'm gonna spray paint some more. Adds a bit of personality and customization to it. Anyway, here I am taking the keyboard apart. The process is really simple. Only a few screws you need to take out. I do recommend also taking out the battery. I wouldn't recommend taking off the foam pads, to be honest. And be careful when you're taking the battery out. You don't want to puncture it. As you can see, I got mine out safe and sound. This was my first time spray painting anything, so it didn't come out the best. I think I'll do a better job next time. The main reason why I did a bad job is because I didn't leave it to sit to dry for as long as possible. I waited about 3 hours and it was not dry. I think also I put a little bit too much paint on each coat. I did about 3 coats. Here's what the finished one looks like. I think it came out decent. I could definitely do a better job next time. And here I am rebuilding the Zuoya GMK67. It's a pretty simple process, just a few screws and that's it. And always lube your stabilizers if you get the Zuoya GMK67. The factory lube is not enough. Lube them with Thock's GPL 205 and keyboard oil. And for this build, we're going for a thocky build, so I'm going to put 3 layers of the tape mod on this keyboard. If you don't know what the tape mod does to your keyboard, it basically makes the pitch deeper and produces that thocky sound. This keyboard did not come out as thocky as I wanted it to come out. Next time I think I'll pick SA profile keycaps instead of XDA profile keycaps to make it more thocky. And here I'll put the switches on and the keycaps on. And then we'll be done with the build, the cozy way. I love how this keyboard looks, I love the cozy theme, but I think I'll need to lube the switches later on. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment below, would you make this keyboard or something similar? Or would you even spray paint your Zuoya GMK67? Also, there's a KTT Kang White giveaway going on my website right now, so go check that out if you want to win that. Ends on October 15th. Also, new wallpapers dropped, so go download those. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one.